I wasn't sure you'd wake up. I hoped you would. I wanted to show you. I don't have anyone else. I think a lot about meteors. The purity of them. Boom! The end. Start again. The world made clean for the new man to rebuild. I was meant to be new. I was meant to be beautiful. The world would have looked to the sky and seen hope, seen mercy. Instead, they look up in horror because of you. You've wounded me. I gave you 4 marks for that. But, like the man said, what doesn't kill you? Just makes me stronger.